Hello friends, today we will study about the numerical on the virtual work, that is on the beams carrying the point load. So here is the figure simplifying the numerical. We will see read out a beam AB of span 5 meter. The ABS beam is provided with a span total length is 5 meter, carrying a point load of 2 kilonewton at a distance of 2 meter from the point A. So it carries the 2 kilonewton point load from the point A at a distance of 2 meter. So we have to determine the beam reaction by using principle of virtual work. So we have to determine by using the principle of virtual work beam reactions RA and RB. So by resolving this force, the figure can be drawn as RA and RB are a reaction in the upward directions. We can say 2 kilonewton is a downward direction force, that is a point load, and by drawing the virtual line, that is AED, and B to D distance is your Y, and point load distance, virtual distance of the point load C to E is your X, and that is your equal to 2Y into 5. This comes because of this relation, that is a we have to consider a true triangle for calculating the distance X. ACE first triangle, and the second one is the ABD bigger one triangle. So the by principle we know that X upon Y, vertical distance X upon vertical distance of the higher triangle, is equal to A upon L. A is nothing but the horizontal distance of the point C from point A, and L is nothing but a total distance, that is horizontal distance of point B from the point A. So lower distance divided by higher distance. So x upon y is equal to a upon L. So x is equal to ay upon L. Same here, the A is your 2 meter from point A and L is your 5. So x is equal to 2y upon 5. So here the complete resolution of the figure is given. So we will solve. First of all, what is given to us, we will see. Span total L is given 5 meter. Point load W is given to us 2 kilonewton, and the distance of point load from support A, we are considering from the support A, is 2 meter. So let RA is the reaction at A, RAB is the reaction at B. So these two reactions we have to calculate it. We know that Y is the virtual upward displacement of the beam B, and X is a virtual upward displacement of the point C where the point load is acted, that is equal to 2y upon 5 is equal to 0.4y. Now moving forward by resolving this, so the total work, virtual work by these two reactions, we know that virtual work means upward reactions, so it will be upward reaction considered as a positive and downward reactions are negative. So the point load will be negative and the upward reaction RA and RB will be positive. So we have to consider from the point A. So RA distance is 0 because we are starting from the A. So RA into 0 plus RB into Y, vertical distance Y. So it will comes RA into 0 is 0. So remaining is plus because upward reaction RB into Y. So Y is your vertical distance. So same for the, this is by the reaction RA and RB beam reactions. So and by point load, virtual work by point load is minus P into X. P is your point load, how much it is supplied, it is given as a 2 kilonewton, and 0.4 is a X, 0.4 Y. We have already calculated this as this one 0.4 Y. So X is 0.4 Y is, so negative is due to this because it is a downward direction reaction, point load is applied downward. So it is minus 0.8 Y. So we also know that from the principle of virtual work, the sum of the total virtual work which is given is 0. Therefore these two, sum of these two virtual work, that is upward and downward, will be 0. So by considering about two reactions, we will get RB into Y, that is from here RB into Y, that is positive, and minus 0.8 Y, this one point load, is equal to 0. So by solving this, RB is equal to 0.8 by taking equal to LU, beside equal to LU, 0.8 Y upon Y, Y will get cancelled. So RB is equal to 0.8 kilonewton. So this is our first answer. RB is equal to 0.8 kilonewton upward direction. Obviously it is in upward direction, positive. So RA is equal to downward direction. We know that total force is 2. So it will be with equilibrium 2 minus 0.8. So RA having the reaction as load at 1.2 kilonewton in upward direction. So these are the questions we have to find from question. Determine the beam reaction by using principal work. So we could find, or we have find virtual beam reactions RB and RA. RA at 1.2 and RB is 0.8 kilonewton. Thank you.